Hello student, how are you? Today we will solve the question from exercise 2.1. The first question we have given, if x upon 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3, find the value of x and y. Because these two ordered pairs are equal, so their corresponding element will be equal. So you can write x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 5 upon 3. X upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1. X upon 3 equal to 5 minus 3, 2 upon 3, implies x equal to 2. Right? Okay. The value of the y, comparing y minus 2 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 3, y equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 equal to 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3 equal to 1. Right? Come to the question number second. Second question, if the set A has 3 elements and set B is a set of element 3, 4, 5, then find the number of element in A Cartesian B. Right? My dear student, in since set A having 3 elements, therefore Na equal to 3. Set B having also 3 elements and B equal to 3. Now number of element of A Cartesian B equal to 3 into 3 equal to 9. Right? Okay, now come to the question number third. Third question. Question third. Okay, we have given a set G having element 7, 8, H having element 5, 4, 2. Find G Cartesian H and H Cartesian G. Since G equal to in question number third we have given G equal to set G equal to 7, 8 and set H equal to 5, 4, 2. Therefore, G Cartesian H 7, 8 Cartesian with 5, 4, 2. So, G Cartesian H may be written as 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Now the turn of 8, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. This is called G Cartesian H. Now let us see H Cartesian G. H Cartesian G. Okay, H Cartesian G. Right? We have given H is set having element 5, 4, 2 and G having element 7, 8. So therefore H Cartesian G equal to 5, 4, 2 Cartesian with 7, 8. Right? 5, 8, sorry, 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. This is H Cartesian G. Right? Now come to the question number 4. State whether each of the following statement are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. Right? Let us see the first statement. Question number fourth, first statement. Question 4. statement number first, right? Okay, we have given a set P having the element M and N, set Q having element N comma M. Okay, then P Cartesian Q equal to M comma N, M comma M, N comma N, N comma M. Let us see, is the same thing is given, M comma N and N comma M, M comma N and N comma N, but missing of M comma M and N comma N, so it is false. So the given statement is false, the true is this, right? Its second part, if A and B are non-empty set, then A Cartesian B is a non-empty set of ordered pair x comma y such that x belong to A and y belong to B. Since A and B are non-empty set, then A Cartesian B is a non-empty set. As we know, the dear student, Cartesian product of non-empty set will always non-empty. So second one is true, right? Third one, set A having element 1 comma 2, set B having element 3 comma 4, then A Cartesian B intersection phi equal to phi. Let us see whether it is true or false. Third one, set A having the element 1 comma 2, set B having element 3 comma 4, right? Then A Cartesian B intersection phi. Since B intersection phi, it means common element of B and phi, right? Nothing will be common, so it will be B intersection phi will be phi. Now A Cartesian B intersection phi, since Cartesian product of A with an empty set, it will be a phi, right? But what is given here? It is written here, then this equal to phi. It is true. It is true. Okay. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, in question number 5, we have given set A. Question 5. We have given set A having element -1 and 1. Now A Cartesian A equal to -1 comma 1 with -1 comma 1 equal to -1 comma -1 -1 comma 1 and 1 comma -1 and 1 comma 1 and 1 comma, okay. Now A Cartesian A equal to -1 comma -1 -1 comma 1 1 comma -1 and 1 comma 1 with A -1 comma 1. So you can write equal to -1 comma -1 comma -1 -1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, -1 comma 1 comma -1 -1 comma 1 comma 1, right? 1 comma -1 comma -1 and 1 comma -1 comma 1 1 comma 1 comma -1 and 1 comma 1 comma 1. This is A Cartesian A, right? Now the next question. In question number 6, we have given A Cartesian B equal to this. Find A and B. Okay, my dear student, as we know that first element will belong to the first set and second element of ordered pair will belong to the second set. So therefore, element of set A are element of set A are the first element of a given ordered pair A comma B, A comma B, and B equal to second x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. This is B. Okay, come to the question number 7. In the seventh question, we have given set A, set B, set C, and set D. Verify that. Verify that A Cartesian B intersection C equal to A Cartesian B intersection A Cartesian C. Now let us see the question number 7. In question number 7, we have given set A having element 1 comma 2, set B having element 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, set C having element 5 comma 6, 5 comma C, and set D having element 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Okay, now we have to verify. What we have to verify? You can see we have to verify that A Cartesian B intersection C. For the first part, let us see at first. You can see A B intersection C, B intersection C means the common part of B and C is B intersection C is nothing common in B and C, so it is 5. Now A Cartesian B intersection C will be Cartesian product to any set with the empty set will be 5, right? Okay, this is the left hand side LHS. Right hand side RHS equal to A Cartesian B intersection A Cartesian C. A Cartesian B intersection A Cartesian C. Okay. Okay, since we have given a set B 1, 2, 3, 4 and set C 5, comma 6, so B intersection C, nothing is common in B and C, and with A Cartesian you will find out the 5. In the right hand side, A Cartesian B intersection A Cartesian C. Okay, A Cartesian B, at first you can write A Cartesian B 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. This is A Cartesian B. Now intersection with A Cartesian C, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Now the intersection of this, nothing is common. Nothing is common in both sets, so intersection is 5. Hence LHS equal to RHS, right? Okay, let us see its second part. A Cartesian B is a subset of B Cartesian D. We have to prove that. A Cartesian C. Okay, now at first you can find out B Cartesian D. B Cartesian D. B Cartesian D. For the second part, B Cartesian D will be 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6 and 2 comma 7, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 6 and 3 comma 6, 3 comma I think 7, 3 comma 7 and 3 comma 8. 3 comma 8. Okay. 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 4 comma 8. Right, this is B Cartesian D. Okay, we have already find out A Cartesian C. A Cartesian C we have already find out in the first part. A Cartesian C is 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Right, since all element of what you have to prove, A Cartesian C the subset of B Cartesian D. Okay, since all element of A Cartesian C 1 comma 5 also in B Cartesian C, 1 comma 6 also in B Cartesian D, and 2 comma 5 also in B Cartesian D, 2 comma 6 also in B Cartesian D, 3 comma 5 also in B Cartesian D, 3 comma 6 also in B Cartesian D. Therefore, what we have find out? Therefore, I think A Cartesian C subset of B Cartesian D. Right? It's proved. Okay. Now come to the question number 8. Let set A. Let set A in question number 8. Question 8. Set A having element 1 comma 2. Set B having element 3 comma 4. Okay, write A Cartesian B. How many subset will A Cartesian B have? Okay, at first we have to write A Cartesian B. A Cartesian B 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, and write the A Cartesian B. This is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Okay, what you have to write? Write A Cartesian. In this question we have to find out, right, A Cartesian B, we have written this. Okay, how many subset will, how many okay, sorry for this, how many subset will A Cartesian B have? Okay, number of subset of A Cartesian B equal to 2 to the power total number of element in A Cartesian B 1, 2, 3, 4 means 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. This is your answer. Okay, now come to the question number 9, which is the last question of this exercise. Okay, the ninth question, question number 9. Let A and B two sets such that number of element of set A NA equal to 3 and NB equal to 2. Right? If x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A Cartesian B, find A and B where x, y, z are distinct element. Right? Okay. You have given element of A Cartesian B are what? X comma 1, y comma 2 and z comma 1. Number of elements of set A are given you 3, number of elements of set B are given you 2. So first element will belong to the first set x comma y. Second element will belong to the second set which are 1 comma 2. So this is the answer. So thank you very much, my dear student. I hope you will understand this, and thank you. Have a nice day ahead.